What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Vechain, currently sitting at 0.035. We're up almost 3%. In the last 24 hours, market cap sitting at 2.84 billion, 25 volume, 45 million. So if we hop into the chart, we off the wick low here, bottoming tail at 0.027. Potentially wave 1, wave 2 pullback. Now this may be leading diagonal just by the way it's forming. So you have a wave 1 up, wave 2 pullback right there. There's a wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So we can bounce from here. I believe we've already hit the minimum target for a wave 2 pullback, but of course you can ABC. You'll ABC come a bit lower before bouncing back to the upside. Let me just quickly use a fib retracement and see what kind of targets we have here. Yeah, so we're very close to the minimum, 38.2, but usually does come down to the 50% to the 78.6, which is in between 0.032 and 0.030. Let me just drop a box in for you guys. This is a micro count, so just take it with a grain of salt. Usually I don't count underneath the 4 hour, but I know you guys want to know what's happening on the smaller time frames, like the 1 hour time frame. So leading diagonal, if the diagonal pattern breaks, then you can expect a pullback into this zone before continuation in between 0.032 and 0.030, just like this. But if we can push from here, because we have come very close to the minimum target, then you can just see a straight breakout back to the upside, and that wave 3 target, if we were to push from here, take a trend-based extension, wow, from the bottom of 1 to the top, bottom of 2, target the 161.8 for the wave 3. That will take you all the way up to about 0.050 for our friend Vet. As you can see on the daily chart, we're falling into a massive support zone. We have that bottoming wick on the daily. So if we can get back above those daily EMAs, that would be crucial. Get back above them, see the bullish cross, retest them. See you later. This correction would be finished. But first, we need to get back above those EMAs for more confirmation. All right, gang, if you want completely free access to my trading group, all you have to do is take 30 seconds of your time, sign up to Bitfinex, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America, 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees when you sign up through my link. Take the 30 seconds. Definitely worth it in my opinion. Send me an email. Completely free access to my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups. I just gave 2 signals. My Forex signals, you can see what I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits. Almost 3,000 members in the group. All you have to do is take 30 seconds of your time, sign up to Bitfinex. That's it. Many people charge $50, $100 a month for the Discord, but for me, I just want to help you reach financial freedom. So all you have to do is take that 30 seconds, sign up to Bitfinex, send me an email. I'll send you the link. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.